Welcome back to ChatGPT Insights, the channel that decodes the future of AI. The tech world is moving at lightning speed, and if you blink, you might miss the next big breakthrough or the next critical vulnerability. Today, we're diving deep into the most crucial updates shaping our digital landscape. Get ready for a high-octane rundown that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. First up, we're talking about AI under siege, exploring how hackers are exploiting the very systems we're starting to rely on. Then, we'll jump into the fierce AI race of 2025, where Gemini is reportedly taking the lead. After that, we've got major financial news from the crypto world, with Gemini making big moves on the Nasdaq. And finally, we'll unpack the incredible story behind the Winklevoss twins and their journey with Gemini. Stay tuned, this is ChatGPT Insights. AI under siege, hackers exploit vulnerabilities. What if the very AI systems powering our world could be compromised with simple code? It's a chilling reality unfolding now. Advanced AI models like Gemini 2 and Grok 4, despite their sophistication, are showing critical vulnerabilities to clever attack methods. This isn't just theoretical. It's a clear and present danger to AI safety across critical sectors like healthcare, finance, and transportation. The alarming truth is that hacking these advanced systems is becoming disturbingly easy, challenging the foundational trust we place in AI. This situation is meticulously detailed by All About AI, which sheds light on the surprising fragility of today's leading AI platforms. Through innovative tools designed to simulate attacks, researchers are uncovering the weak points in these complex systems. Methods like payload injections and multi-model batch testing are revealing how easily AI can be manipulated. While the discovery of these vulnerabilities is concerning, it's also fueling a critical push for enhanced AI security. This deep dive into AI cybersecurity explores the techniques used to expose these flaws, the implications for AI safety, and the ongoing efforts to build more robust defenses. The key to understanding these vulnerabilities lies in tools like the AI Red Team. This powerful tool utilizes modified open-source code to rigorously test AI models. It seamlessly integrates with OpenRouter, providing a unified platform to access and evaluate a wide array of AI models, including popular ones like Gemini 2, Grok 3, Grok 4, and GPT-OSS 120. Its modular design offers remarkable flexibility, allowing for everything from basic security assessments to highly sophisticated attack simulations. This adaptability makes it an invaluable asset for researchers, developers, and security professionals, aiming to understand and bolster AI system defenses. The tool's capabilities are extensive, designed to uncover weaknesses and offer practical solutions for improving AI security. It employs established attack methodologies such as response format manipulation, payload injection, and bypass attempts. These techniques are crafted to exploit common flaws like inadequate input validation and insufficient contextual safeguards. For instance, response format attacks aim to distort the AI's output structure, while payload injections introduce malicious data to test resilience. By simulating these diverse scenarios, the tool provides crucial insights into how AI models react under pressure and identifies specific areas for security enhancement. Testing on prominent models like Gemini 2 and Grok 4 has yielded varied results, highlighting different security strengths and weaknesses. While some models, such as GPT-OSS 120b, have shown impressive resilience against specific attack types, others, like Grok 3, have demonstrated significant vulnerabilities when exposed to more complex payloads. These findings underscore the critical need for ongoing advancements in AI safety protocols. Even the most advanced AI can falter when confronted with novel or sophisticated threats, making continuous testing and refinement essential for developing truly secure AI systems. A particularly noteworthy feature of this tool is its capacity to generate novel attack vectors. Leveraging advanced AI models like GPT-5, it can create both string-based and code-based payloads specifically engineered to exploit identified vulnerabilities. This allows for highly targeted testing, providing a clearer picture of potential real-world threats and equipping developers with the knowledge to fortify their AI defenses. Furthermore, the tool supports batch processing, enabling the evaluation of multiple AI models against the same payload. This not only streamlines the testing process, but also facilitates a more comprehensive analysis of vulnerabilities across different systems. By comparing results, users can identify recurring patterns of weakness and understand how various models respond to similar threats, which is invaluable for organizations managing diverse AI infrastructures. The developers are actively enhancing the tool, with future updates planned to better replicate the dynamic nature of real-world AI threats. However, current limitations, including bugs and incomplete features, can impact its effectiveness, especially in complex testing scenarios. Inconsistencies in security performance between browser and API testing environments also present challenges, pointing to the need for more uniform security measures. The development team stresses the importance of community collaboration, sharing the tool and encouraging contributions to collectively address AI vulnerabilities. Responsible experimentation and shared knowledge are deemed crucial for building a more secure AI future. Your engagement in this process can significantly contribute to the ongoing effort to ensure AI systems remain safe and reliable. So, while the risks are real, the race to secure AI is on. Next, we're diving into the competitive arena of AI development, where the predictions for 2025 are already shaking things up. Gemini leads 2025 AI race amid market volatility. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a significant shift in market sentiment is placing Google's Gemini at the forefront of the 2025 AI race. Prediction markets indicate a strong growing confidence in Gemini's capabilities, with a notable percentage of traders now betting on it to become the leading AI text model by the end of next year. This surge in support comes as competitors like OpenAI's ChatGPT and xAI's Grok face their own sets of challenges and mixed market reception. Kalshi, a popular prediction market, shows Gemini holding a commanding 57% of the bets for the top AI spot in 2025, a substantial increase from previous figures. This contrasts sharply with ChatGPT, which has seen its predicted dominance fall to 20%, and Grok, now at 15%. The final outcome is slated for verification on December 31st, using the LM Arena leaderboard as a benchmark, though the dynamic nature of AI innovation means these predictions could still fluctuate. The total trading volume for this market has already reached an impressive $7.4 million, underscoring the significant interest and investment in the AI sector. Gemini's ascent in these predictions can be attributed to its recent series of impressive updates and feature rollouts. Google has been actively enhancing Gemini with functionalities such as a storybook mode, improved reasoning capabilities, and a temporary chat feature that enhances user privacy by not saving chat history. These developments have clearly resonated with the market, boosting confidence in Gemini's trajectory. Conversely, OpenAI's ChatGPT has experienced a more turbulent period. The recent launch of ChatGPT-5, while anticipated, has been met with mixed reactions from users, leading CEO Sam Altman to publicly address and defend the product. This mixed reception, coupled with ongoing market speculation, has likely contributed to the dip in its predicted market standing. xAI's Grok has also encountered its share of controversies. Reports of the model exhibiting political bias, and, more alarmingly, instances where it allegedly praised Adolf Hitler, have led to a reassessment of its public image and reliability. Such incidents, regardless of intent, can significantly impact user trust and market perception, especially in a field where ethical considerations are paramount. The competition extends beyond just model performance, with significant strategic moves occurring in adjacent markets, particularly internet search. An unsolicited $34.5 billion cash offer from AI company Perplexity to acquire Google's Chrome browser highlights the intense competition and the strategic value placed on controlling user access points. OpenAI has also reportedly expressed interest in acquiring Chrome, indicating a broader battle for dominance in the digital ecosystem. Furthermore, regulatory scrutiny and global competition are shaping the AI landscape. In China, AI firm DeepSeek has released its advanced Prover 2 model, showcasing prowess in mathematical capabilities. Meanwhile, regulatory bodies are paying close attention to the burgeoning AI sector. G7 antitrust authorities have signaled potential actions to maintain competition, and major players like Google and Meta are facing antitrust lawsuits in the US, which could impact their innovation and competitive strategies. The current betting trends on Kalshi serve as a barometer for the AI industry's dynamic environment. Performance, consistent updates, and user perception are critical factors influencing market leadership. While Gemini has captured significant market attention, the race remains fluid, with ChatGPT and Grok still holding substantial user bases and potential for future growth. The ongoing advancements, user feedback, and evolving regulatory landscape will undoubtedly continue to shape the ultimate outcome of this intense AI competition. It's a dynamic race with high stakes and shifting fortunes. Now, let's pivot to the financial world, where another major player in the crypto space is making significant waves with its own public market aspirations. Gemini pursues Nasdaq IPO amid financial challenges and strategic partnerships. Gemini Trust, a prominent digital asset exchange in the United States, has officially filed for an initial public offering, IPO, on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, aiming to list under the ticker symbol GEMI. This significant move toward public market integration comes despite the company reporting a substantial net loss of $282.5 million for the first half of 2025. To bolster its financial position and liquidity, Gemini has also secured a $75 million credit facility with Ripple Labs, which allows the exchange to borrow funds against Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin. This dual strategy highlights the intricate financial maneuvering and liquidity management strategies employed by major cryptocurrency firms navigating a volatile market. The decision to pursue an IPO, detailed in an SEC filing dated August 2025, underscores Gemini's commitment to transparency and regulatory compliance, a hallmark of its operational philosophy. While the reported $282.5 million loss for H1 2025 indicates ongoing operational costs and investment in growth, the IPO is intended to provide crucial capital. This funding is earmarked for enhancing regulatory compliance frameworks, ensuring operational stability, and fueling expansion into new service areas, including lending, advanced custody solutions, and tailored institutional offerings. The involvement of prestigious financial institutions, such as Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Citigroup, as lead underwriters for the IPO signals strong institutional confidence in Gemini's long-term viability and market potential. This backing aligns with a broader trend of established cryptocurrency companies seeking public listing to gain broader market access, enhance credibility, and attract institutional investment. The path to public listing has seen precedents set by other major crypto players, including Coinbase's successful IPO and Bullish's recent listing, both of which have demonstrably boosted market recognition and investor engagement within the digital asset space. Navigating the regulatory landscape remains a critical consideration for all cryptocurrency firms. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) ongoing delays in deciding on several spot crypto ETF applications reflect a cautious and evolving regulatory approach to the digital asset industry. In this context, Gemini's pursuit of a public listing and its emphasis on regulatory adherence could serve as a valuable case study and a potential model for other crypto exchanges aspiring to integrate with traditional financial markets and gain wider institutional acceptance. Despite the financial headwinds, the IPO filing represents a strategic milestone for Gemini and the broader crypto industry. It signals a continued push towards integrating digital assets into mainstream financial markets. As institutional investors and regulatory bodies continue to assess the cryptocurrency sector, Gemini's commitment to transparency and regulatory alignment positions it as a potentially influential player, offering a blueprint for future public market entrants in the crypto space. The company's ability to manage its financials while expanding its services will be closely watched as it progresses toward its Nasdaq debut. It's a bold move for Gemini, showcasing the evolving relationship between crypto and traditional finance. But the Gemini story is also deeply intertwined with its founders, the Winklevoss twins, and their remarkable journey from social media battles to crypto pioneers. Let's dive into that fascinating narrative. Winklevoss twins Gemini navigates Nasdaq IPO amid industry resurgence. Following Bullish's recent debut on the New York Stock Exchange, becoming the second publicly listed cryptocurrency trading platform in the U.S., Gemini has now stepped forward to claim its position in the competitive race for a third major listing. This move by the American-based trading platform, long recognized for its focus on regulatory compliance, signals a significant development in the crypto industry's increasing integration with traditional capital markets. At the heart of Gemini's public market ambitions are the iconic Winklevoss twins, Tyler and Cameron, whose entrepreneurial journey, marked by a landmark legal battle with Mark Zuckerberg and a prescient early investment in Bitcoin, continues to captivate the tech and finance world. Gemini's decision to pursue a traditional IPO, with a public registration statement filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on August 15, 2025, targets a listing on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol GEMI. This follows a confidential IPO application submitted earlier in February 2025. The company has engaged major financial players, with Goldman Sachs and Citigroup serving as lead underwriters, supported by a syndicate including Morgan Stanley and Cantor Fitzgerald. While the final offering price and share size are yet to be disclosed, pending SEC approval, industry analysts like Renaissance Capital estimate the IPO could raise approximately $400 million. Complementing this, Gemini has secured a $75 million credit line from Ripple, utilizing its RLUSD stablecoin for enhanced liquidity, though it has not yet drawn upon these funds. Financially, Gemini faces significant challenges, as detailed in its S-1 filing. For the first 6 months of 2025, the company reported revenues of $68.6 million, but a substantial net loss of $282.5 million, a marked increase from the $41.4 million loss in the same period last year. Trading fees remain the primary revenue driver, accounting for roughly 66% of total revenue. Gemini also diversifies its income through custody services, staking, and the issuance of its stablecoin, Gemini Dollar, GUSD. This IPO push occurs within a broader context of a recovering U.S. IPO market, particularly favorable for digital asset companies. Circle, a stablecoin issuer, and Bullish have recently completed their public listings, and Coinbase's inclusion in the S&P 500 index has further bolstered the market recognition of compliant crypto trading platforms. These events collectively indicate a growing investor appetite and institutional acceptance for regulated crypto businesses. The narrative of the Winklevoss twins adds a compelling layer to Gemini's story. Born into a family of academics and wealth, their early lives were characterized by high achievement, including a passion for programming and music. Their academic paths at Harvard and Oxford were marked by exceptional athletic prowess, particularly in rowing, where their synchronized efforts culminated in representing the U.S. at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. This discipline and teamwork proved foundational for their later ventures. Their foray into social networking at Harvard led to a well-documented legal dispute with Mark Zuckerberg over the creation of Facebook. The eventual $65 million settlement, including Facebook stock, provided the capital and the impetus for their next major venture. Recognizing the potential of Bitcoin in 2012, they made a significant early investment, acquiring approximately 1% of the total Bitcoin supply, a move that has since yielded billions. Founded in 2014, Gemini was conceived from the twins' desire to navigate the burgeoning crypto wave with a strong emphasis on regulatory compliance, distinguishing themselves from many contemporary platforms operating in less regulated spaces. By obtaining a trust license from the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, and adopting Nasdaq-style trading rules, they aim to build trust among institutional investors. Tyler typically focuses on internal operations and strategy, while Cameron serves as the public face, articulating Gemini's vision. Their combined net worth is estimated at $15 billion, with each holding over 5% of Gemini's shares. Their legacy is now defined not just by their past conflicts, but by their significant role in the development of regulated cryptocurrency trading platforms. It's a remarkable journey of resilience and strategic foresight from the Winklevoss twins. Now, let's wrap up with a quick recap of all the major AI and crypto news we've covered today. And that's a wrap on today's Essential Tech Updates. We saw AI systems facing serious security threats, Gemini predicted to dominate the 2025 AI race, Gemini's Nasdaq IPO plans despite financial hurdles, and the incredible story of the Winklevoss twins behind Gemini. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our community by following us on all social platforms. See you next time on ChatGPT Insights.